channel. I hope you're doing well today. My name is Jordan. If you are new here, I figured I'd introduce myself. So today I'm in my bathroom actually, which is a weird spot for me to be on my channel, like starting my video, I guess. I actually have a very fun video to bring to you guys. So if you guys have watched my vlogs or my videos within the past few months, I've been talking about getting into clean skincare and clean beauty more. I'm trying so hard to learn more about the industry and all the chemicals and everything, and being more conscious of what I'm putting on my skin, which in turn, you know, goes into your body and bloodstream and everything like that. So that being said, thank you so much to skinsore.com for sponsoring this video today. So if you don't know what skinsore.com is, it's a top destination for premium skincare, beauty, hair care products, luxury spa products and different things like that. They actually have been for like over 24 years, I believe. And they actually have just added a clean beauty category to their site, which I think is so cool and helpful, especially when I'm shopping. I like it to be separate because then I know where to look for, like, you know, what I'm looking for, the category. They have skincare, they have makeup, they have hair care, they have skin tools, they have everything of that sort. They even have supplements, which I think is super cool. They have pimple patches, just everything under the sun, honestly. And they have a bunch of great brands. So they sent me over a few products, actually like a month or two ago, which I think is really awesome because I've really gotten to try out these products in my routine and how I use them and how I like them. So I'm going to be sharing my skincare routine night and morning. I have, for reference, I have very sensitive eczema, dry skin. So I'm trying to get more into like harsher skincare because I do struggle with acne as well. I do have acne prone skin, I always have. So I'm trying to still wrangle that in while still being like conscious of how sensitive my skin is. So I'm going to kind of be talking about that for reference. But the first thing I'm going to be doing is off my skincare from last night, which it depends on what I put on my face the night before, is if I wash my face without just using water. Otherwise I'll just use water. But I did use this Ren Clean Skincare Wake Wonderful Nighttime Facial. It's a little bit harsher. I've been using this probably every week, once-ish a week, maximum twice a week. And I feel like it's really made a difference in my skin texture, but also just my overall skin appearance. I feel like when I use it, I literally wake up feeling like I had a facial, and I haven't had a facial in probably over 2 years now. So that's a great feeling to be able to have at home. This one is a little bit harsher. Like I said, it feels harsher on the skin, but you can tell it's working, and that's what I mean by harsh, I guess. It, like, once you put it on your skin, it tingles for a little bit, kind of burns my skin because, like I said, I have sensitive skin, but like burn in a good way, you know? I put 2 to 3 pumps of this on my face at night, and before I do this at night, I go in with my cleanser. First I take off my makeup with the makeup remover, whatever one I want to use at the moment, and then I'm going in with the By Nocte Clean Sheets Cleansing Gel, which, first of all, the packaging is gorgeous. I love this packaging, and this is really gentle and hydrating cleanser, which I feel like is hard to find for me personally. For some reason, I don't find cleansers too often that I like am in love with, but I really like this one. And so when I put my moisturizer on at night, I add in my skincare oil or my face oil, whatever one I'm using at the time, and I mix that and then I go to sleep. But I try to keep it very simple. Now I'm going to use it again in the morning to wash off everything that I have on my face from last night. I love the consistency of it too. It's very light and runny, which I don't know, I really like. I heard that when you cleanse your skin, you're actually supposed to like rub it in or have the cleanser on your skin for like a few minutes at least. So that's what I've been doing the past few months, and I feel like it's really been it's made a difference. I don't know, I really like it, and I kind of just massage my face while I do this, and then I just rinse it off. It was at night, what I would be doing is using the First Aid Beauty Retinol Serum. It's the 0.25 Pure Concentrate by the Fab Skin Lab line of theirs. And this is my first retinol ever. And I feel like it's really changed my skin and my acne and my fine lines, which I'm only 23 and I don't really struggle with fine lines obviously yet, but I do notice when I do put it like here, which is where I get like You can see like smile lines, which I don't care about, but I did notice it changing it. And I use this one about 2-ish times a week. Like I said, my skin's very sensitive, so I do that 2-ish times a week. And if I'm not using these and masking like at night or using a serum or something, I'm really not doing much to my skin. I try to keep it very, very simple. Like I said, I have very sensitive skin, so I kind of like have to keep it simple, you know? But anyway, now I'm going to go in with my face oil and I'm going to press that into my skin, lather it up, because I'm going to actually go in with my gua sha, which I don't ever know if I'm saying it right, but I just do that really quickly. I have something very like hydrating on your skin to make sure you don't pull too much. See, you can kind of already see in my skin it getting red, but that'll go away. I go in with the same moisturizer, the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. So good. Holt's favorite. I've heard about this for years. I feel like I used it a very long time ago in high school and I really liked it, and then I never repurchased it, and I've been loving it. First of all, I love how big the tube is, and I just love creams like this. If it's not a cream, to be honest, I can't really use it. It has to be like a thick cream for my skin to even like react to it, to get anything from it. And this one is really nice, and there's no scent either, which is so nice because I've been really, I don't know, I'm very touchy with skincare scents for some reason. I don't know what it is. But then I just go in with my sunscreen, or I go in with a tinted sunscreen by Ulta MD. And I do this on no makeup days or days that I am wearing makeup. It all just, you know, kind of depends. Literally it for my morning skincare. This is what my skin looks like all close up. Just struggling with these ones, but that's pretty normal because I'm about to be on my period. So yeah, I am honestly so happy with how my skin has been lately. But anyway, I have a 25% off code for you guys, which will be right here for you. You can use that to get 25% off. And I'll have all of my products that I just showed you from skinstore.com down below. And thank you again, skinstore.com, for sponsoring this portion of the video. So now we're gonna go into my office and put on some makeup. I'm just gonna do some simple makeup and show you my clean makeup routine next. So I zoomed you in a little bit. I have a mirror behind you. We have a setup here. I'm gonna go in first. Well, actually, while we're talking about clean beauty, so I have been on a journey for the past probably year or two on trying to find a natural deodorant that I like. So I found one, type A, which I really, really like. I found that at Target. And then I also found this one, which I really like as well. But this one has like no plastic packaging. It's by Hey Humans, and it's coconut mint. It's aluminum free. Propylene, it's free of all of this stuff. It is in this paper packaging and it looks like this, gross. So I figured I'd mention that. I'm also drinking chlorophyll every day to try to help, I guess to help in conjunction with like natural deodorants and stuff for body odor, or just in general for body odor, which, you know, is a struggle in general. But let's go into the makeup, because the makeup here, I think almost all of it is clean. I've done my research. I researched every product that I could last night just to make sure. And I think all of this is. So first I'm going in with this Ren Skincare, which is the same brand as I used for one of my other skincare products. And this is the Perfect Canvas Clean Primer. This one just has like this nice dropper tool, which I love. And this one I've been using for probably about a month. And I think it really helps. It's not one that balls up on my skin, which is nice. And I don't like to put a lot of things on before I put makeup on, but for some reason this one really gives me a nice like clean slate. Perfect canvas. How about that? The name of it. I go in with my tinted moisturizer, which is the Saie Beauty, which I am obsessed with Saie right now. And this is their slip tint, and it has 35 SPF, so nice double layering SPF, of course. And then this is in the shade 3, which is actually pretty much my perfect shade. Pump it out on my fingers, and I'm just going to apply it with my fingers and then go in with a beauty blender. This foundation is, well, I guess it's not a foundation, I guess it's like a tinted moisturizer almost, and it's the best one that I have used yet in this genre of makeup, and brand as well. I love following them. I also wanted to try the Ilia, what is it called? It's like a tinted kind of thing. My friend Cavina actually just made a video very similar to this where she used the Ilia dropper. I can't think of it. It's like a tinted moisturizer too, or like a very sheer, it's a sheer tint kind of thing. And I want to try that one out, especially after watching that. But I'll link her video down below because it was really good. It was also on clean skincare and clean beauty and different things like that. I can get away with not powdering too. I don't really care if my makeup creases. I like to be able to touch my skin throughout the day. So otherwise, if I do end up powdering, I'll use just like a translucent powder. But this is how my skin looks with that. I don't know. I feel like it looks the glowiest when I do this. And then I'll also go in, if I really want to cover spots or anything, I'll go with my Merit Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Linen. I know you guys asked a lot when I did my Merit video what shade. I use the shade Linen, and I just have like a few pimples that I just want to cover. If it's on a normal day, I really don't care. I'll just let them breathe if I'm even wearing makeup that day. But I also love this. Sometimes I'll just go in with this all over my face or just on my problem areas, and I'm good to go. And for clean beauty, love Merit. Highly recommend that. And say, I've also been trying out this RMS Beauty, the Uncover Up Concealer. I'm just going to add a little bit of that to my under eyes. It's a little bit dark for me, like a little bit on the orangey side, and I don't like exchanging skincare, so I'm just going to use it. It gets more into summer, it'll probably work best, but I've always wanted to try this RMS. I've heard so many things about it, and I do really like the consistency and everything. I just wish I could fully test it out like on my skin, because it's just, like I said, a little bit too dark. So for highlighting my face, which is one of my favorite things because I have dry skin, so we like to fake it till we make it, I have the Say Beauty Bronze Nectar, and it's this little tint kind of balm. This one is very balmy. Then this is my Merit. This one will forever be one of my top illuminizers. It's just like this stick. It's so natural. I just add it on my skin like that, blend it in with my fingers, super easy. And then I'm going to go in with my Say little balm just to give myself a little bit of color, but you really have to warm it up in your fingers before you use it. That one just gives such a nice natural shimmer. I love it. Depending on the day, I'll go in with a cream bronzer. I've been using this Alley-Oop, which I can't figure out if Alley-Oop is clean beauty 100%, but I know it's cruelty-free and vegan and conscious. But either way, I really like this this stack right here, and I'll usually go in with that. But I'm actually going to skip bronzer today and just go in with a blush, because this one, when I'm using my Merit blush, I feel like it does a really good job of kind of just bringing in all of the tones that I need. This is in the color Cheeky, and I just feel like, I don't know, I've been loving this shade recently. I feel like it's really natural. It literally makes me feel like a little cartoon character, like blushing, and I feel like it's just so pretty. So I'll take my beauty blender to that, and I've also been liking to go over my nose with it. I just think that that's so cute. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of this Milk Beauty lip and cheek thing in the shade Work. I got it for my birthday last year from Sephora. Okay, and then for eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with my Merit tinted brow gel it's a volumizing pomade actually, in the shade Brown. And I just kind of run that through my brows. I don't really care to do much about my brows anymore. They just kind of are what they are. Sorry, I'm holding a brush in my hand while I do this, and that is them. Really love the shade of this also. But next I'm going to go in just with a little bit of eyeshadow in my eyes. This is the Physicians Formula Butter eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow palette, and I believe Physician Formula is clean, if I'm not mistaken. It's one of the drugstore clean brands. And I do this, it kind of helps set my eyes, as well as giving, you know, a little bit of an oomph. Just take one of the brown shades, kind of go over it, and then I take a little shimmery shade. And sometimes I'll go in with my brown eyeliner, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. I want to keep it super natural and fresh. And then also, this is a new new to me brand. I found at Target. It's Jason Wu Beauty. Their packaging is so beautiful. And it's also, I think, Google Jason Wu Beauty is cruelty-free and follows the Target Clean Beauty Program standards. So I think that it is clean, but anyway, this is what I've been using recently to do freckles on my face. I've been loving it. I don't know, I haven't done freckles in years. I used to do them all the time, but I never had an actual freckle thing, and now there are so many freckle products out, And this one is just like so fun. I just kind of dot it all over, and then before it dries, I kind of, maybe I'll bring you in a little. I'll kind of just make sure I dot it, and I feel like the shade of this is really, on my skin tone, very natural freckle-like shade. I don't know how it would work on anyone who is lighter or darker than me though. It is kind of sheer, but see, it just adds a little bit of like fun. I don't know, I just have been loving freckle. For my eyelashes, gonna do mascara. I'm using the Milk Beauty Kush mascara. I got this for my birthday present from Sephora last year, and I'm going to buy the full tube because I love it that much. So when I want like more of an more of like a full lash look, I'll use my Kush Milk mascara. Otherwise, if I want like an everyday natural one, I'll use my Merit Perfect Black mascara. But today I'm going to go in with a little bit more because I kind of left it simple on the rest of the face. Now I'm just going to take a little bit more of like a bright color, add it to my inner corners. And that's basically it for my makeup. I feel like I feel really fresh and moisturized. That's what, if you can tell, that's a running theme. I want my skin to feel moisturized or else I can't last in makeup. So that includes my full clean beauty routine. I'm really trying to transfer most of my products to be clean and being conscious of that because I just think it's important to worry about what you put on your skin and different things like that. So I love testing new products. So yeah, I hope that this helped you in your journey. And thanks so much again to skinsore.com for sponsoring this video. I will leave all of their information down below, all of the products that I use, different things like that. My coupon code, don't forget to use it for 25% off. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.